Today we continue working on long sound U with double O letters, and we work on page 38 in our student books. And today we are going to read the words and sentences, and then we put a tick sticker to the matching box. So let's read the first sentence. A kangaroo jumps in a pool. A kangaroo jumps in a pool. So look at these two pictures and find the matching picture. Where is the kangaroo? Jumps in a pool. So this is a pool and kangaroo jumps in a pool. So we put a tick sticker to this box. Let's see the next sentence. He eats his food with a spoon. He eats his food with a spoon. We have even two words with double O sound here. So look, here he eats something, and here he eats something. So, but here he eats with a spoon, and here he eats with a with a spoon, and here he eats with a fork. So this picture is matching because he eats with a spoon. So let's put a tick sticker here. So that's it with the book. And now we move to the next task. And the next task is an U story, the story with the words with long sound U. So first I ask you to find and color U words, with the words with long sound U and double O letters. So make it yourself and then check it. I think I will take some more colorful color, bright color. So let's read the story with all these U words. Tom had a really cool pool. He didn't want to go to school. He went to swim in his pool. You see, so Tom had a cool pool and he wanted to swim there. So he didn't want to go to school, he wanted just to swim in his pool. Let's see what happened. He had some food. He stayed in his pool till noon. What is noon? Noon is the middle of the day or the second part of the day when you already come to school and have lunch or dinner. So noon is the second part of the day. So he stayed in his pool all the day. And of course something happened. Let's see next. Soon he was cold and sneezed too. Soon he was cold and sneezed too. So he was really cold during all this time. After that, he was ill and stayed in his room. What a fool! So you see, he didn't go to school. He swam in his pool all the day, and he was so cold, and he became sick. What a fool! What does it mean, fool? The same as stupid. So what a fool he was that he didn't go to school to stay healthy. Okay, so practice reading this story and these words, and we move to the next task. So for our next task, we prepared some words. We have cut the words, and we have such a sheet with two sides. Long U that sounds like long U that sounds like moon, and short U that sounds like look. Look, here we have eyes with look. Okay, so if we pronounce and read some words with double O, you can find that the words sound different. For example, some words sound with long sound, and some of them sound with short sound. Let's see some of them. For example, the word food. Food. Is it long sound or short sound? Food. Food. Yeah, sure, this is long sound. So we will put it to the left side where we have moon. So food sounds like moon with long sound. Okay, and let's compare it with the word book. Book. Food. Book. Food. Book. Which is longer? Food. Which is shorter? Book. So book sounds short. This is short sound U, though we have the same double O. So we will put this word to the right side with the word look. So book sounds like look. Food sounds like moon. Okay, so let's see another word, and another word is school. So find the word school with your papers, with your words. I'm just waiting for a second for you. And look here, this is school. Check your word. School. School. And how do you think? Does it sound long or short? School. Long, right. So we put it beside food and moon. And let's see the next word. This will be pool. Pool. Does it sound short or long? Pool. Sure, it sounds like moon, like long sound U. So we put it to this side. Pool. Let's see some other word. For example, hook. Find the word hook. Hook. This is a hook where you hang your clothes, or when you come to school, you hang on the hook your bag on the wall. You hang so on a hook like this. So this is a hook. Hook. So is it short or long sound? Hook. Right, this is a short sound, so we'll put it to the side of look. It sounds like look. Okay, so and the next word we will see, took, took, took. How do you think? Is it long sound or short sound? Right, this is short sound, so we can put it together with look. Look. Okay, let's see some other words, and for example we will take room. Room. Find the word room in your words. Here it is. Room. Room. So we can stick it to the side of long sound. Ooh. Room. Room. Okay, and the next word is spoon. Spoon. Find the word spoon. So where is it? Here it is. Spoon. So does it sound long or short sound? Ooh. Spoon or spoon. 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 Yes, it is long sound, so we will stick it to the words with moon. Spoon. Okay, let's see another word. Good. Find the word good. 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 Does it sound short or long? Good. Right, it is short sound. Short sound, so we will put it together with look. Good. Okay, and the next word will be cook. Find the word cook. Cook. This is the word cook. K-oo-k. Cook. So is it short or long sound? Right, this is a short sound, so we will stick it to the side with look. Here it is. Cook. And we have the word cool. 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 So, is it short or long sound? Cool. Right, this is the long sound. Long sound, ooh. So we will stick it to the side of moon. Moon. And we have just the last word with sound, short sound, ooh. We already have this word. This is look. Look. So let's stick it to the side of look with look. Here it is. And now let's read once again all the words with double O, with long and short sound. So, food, repeat after me, food. Let's start from moon, food, school, pool, room, spoon, cool. And the short sound, book, hook, took, good, cook, look. So practice reading these words, and that's it for now. Thank you.